Hello student, today we are going to study about the nutrition in amoeba. Let me tell you first what is amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found near in pond water, and this is the cell membrane of the amoeba, and this is the nucleus of the amoeba. Of this amoeba, this is cytoplasm. These basic structure of a cell, I am telling you. Every cell has these three basic structures: cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. These are the basic three structures. So amoeba is a single cell organism, microscopic organisms. You cannot see it from your naked eyes, and it is found in pond water generally. So its body has no definite shape. It changes its shape. Now it is also amoeba. So no definite shape. Look at the shape, irregular body shape. So it changes its shape continuously. Now these are known as pseudopodias. These projections of cell membrane are known as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. These are its false feet. It is the characteristics of amoeba. Now we will start the digestion in amoeba. Now look at this picture. Whenever a food particle comes near the body surface of an amoeba, sensation of food particle, so its pseudopodias start growing to cover it. Body pseudopodia start growing to cover it. This is shown in this picture. Food particles comes in contact of the body surface, so they are growing. Pseudopodias are growing here to cover the food particle, and ultimately they covered it and take it inside the cell. Now what is this process? This is ingestion. Number one process, which resembles to our process. We take the food and put it in our mouth, take it in our body. So this is the similar step, ingestion. Now in the second step, there is digestion of that food particle in amoeba. Similarly, we digest the food which we have taken through our mouth. It goes to stomach, small intestine, large intestine, where the small intestine and stomach, where the digestion of the food and absorption of the food and assimilation of the food occurs. So similarly, digestion of the food occurs is the second step, where in this food vacuole, this is known as food vacuole. VACUOLE, food vacuole. So here this food vacuole, here the digestion of the food particle occurs by secreting the digestive juice. In the third step, that is absorption. The food which is get digested in this food vacuole, it is absorbed by the cytoplasm. So it is absorbed inside the body of the amoeba. Now after that, the absorbed material after the digestion of the food are used by cell to do its work, to get energy to do work. That is known as assimilation. After this, these are the similar steps to our digestion, human digestive systems. In the last, there is egestion. That means the unused food material, the material which is left, it cannot be utilized by the amoeba, is thrown out of the body. This is similar to our again egestion process, where the undigested food is expelled throughout the body through anus. So similar to the human digestive system, it has its steps, ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation, and egestion. So amoeba and we both share same type of nutrition. We share same type of nutrition, and that is known as holozoic nutrition. I hope now you people are able to understand the nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.